Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start in Roblox Studio with minimal delay. Open the File menu and choose Settings. Once the Settings window appears, navigate to the General tab and find Theme or Editor Color. You do this because the theme controls editor contrast and reduces eye strain. Make sure to keep Studio open and unsaved changes noted, then proceed to the next step where you will pick and apply the dark theme option from the available presets. Once you see theme options, click the drop-down and pick Dark or Midnight. Those are optimized for low light. After selecting, press Apply to preview immediately. You will notice editor panels and script windows change tone. If something looks off, use Restore Defaults to revert and try a different preset. Make sure to tweak font size and contrast sliders while the theme is active, because readability depends on both color and scale, not color alone. To finish, click OK or Save so the dark theme persists when you reopen Studio. This commits changes to your configuration. If you do not see the theme immediately, restart Studio. Simple restarts resolve many display hiccups. If problems continue, reset settings to defaults or update Roblox Studio to the latest version because outdated builds can ignore new themes. Remember, one key troubleshooting tip: restart first, then reset, then update if needed. That sequence often fixes display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.